Welcome to the Funeral Program Site Questions and Answers video series. Today's question is, what size should a funeral program be? Today, there are certainly more choices of styles for funeral programs. Technology has enabled us to have a variety of styles to choose from, depending on your content and preference. Funeral program templates have also assisted to help the creation of this printed memorial faster and easier. There are 3 standard paper sizes of a funeral program: small, medium, and large or letter, legal or tabloid size. The sizes are from the commonly available paper you can purchase at any office supply store. After funeral programs are printed on whatever paper size you choose, they are assembled by way of the fold, depending on the style you select. The size of the completed funeral program is your choice, but sometimes can be dictated by the amount of information and photos you want to include. The average size of a funeral program is printed on 8.5 by 11 inches or on a letter-size paper, folded in half. Each funeral program layout produces its own assembled size, depending on which style you choose. The Funeral Program site offers ready-made funeral templates in every size and style. Our friendly customer service team can offer assistance and provide recommendations if you are unsure which size is best for your content. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the Funeral Program site channel. We will continue making valuable content, so you will always be in the know during a time of loss. Check out our collections today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.